Hey guys, Evan here at Techno RV. I'm here to say if you are tired of campground Wi-Fi and all of the buffering, dropping your signal, this little box right here is going to change your life. Alright, so this is the Peplink MAX BR1 Pro 5G. This is a cellular router that gives you fast, reliable internet wherever you are. And let's see, in the box you've got the router itself, you've got your 12-volt power cable, you've got all of your antennas, and your GPS puck, and your AC power supply. We also provide a 12-volt DC power supply should you need it. That comes with your bundle. It's free of charge. And like I said, this thing gives you fast, reliable internet wherever you are, on the go. It's perfect for RVers and travelers of all kind. You can grab your full PepWave bundle over at TechnoRV.com right now. Thanks so much.